So you see, it's 10 o'clock at night. My lovely wife was thinking about what she wanted for breakfast, and I remembered that I had everything to make a wonderful frittata. So for my lovely wife, I am making a tomato, mushroom, and kale frittata. Super easy to make. I didn't record this one, so we're doing a quick video while I cook. So I apologize for the messy kitchen. All you gotta do, sweat down your mushrooms a little bit, get your greens in, cook this for 5 minutes. Look at that, doesn't that look wonderful? The best thing is, this is going to be a wonderful look. Oh, my wife knows how to clean that up. It's going to be a wonderfully low-calorie breakfast, very, very healthy. So, just a quick video to show you how much I love my wife, because it's 10 o'clock at night and I'm making her breakfast for pretty much this week, because we'll slice it all up, we'll chill it down. But frittatas, super easy to make. So in addition to the ingredients that I show here at the beginning of the video, you're going to need 8 eggs. To that, add a couple tablespoons of basil pesto, salt and pepper. Whip that up. Add some mozzarella cheese, heavily butter an oven-safe frying pan so your frittata doesn't stick. Then pour your cooked ingredients in that pan. Pour your eggs over top of the ingredients. Make sure your ingredients get spread out nice and even. Then throw that in the oven at 425 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. This is the final product. You can see it looks wonderful with mushroom, kale, tomato, mozzarella cheese. I stuffed a few cheese cubes in there. We had some Monterey Jack cheese cubes, and I kind of stuffed a few down in there for a cheesy surprise. It's going to be a wonderful breakfast tomorrow morning once this gets cooled off. Easy to make. So keep an eye on the POV Italian Cooking social media sites and YouTube page.